Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park here, our Mallers Club. We're going to take up the FREEWING 70mm F-16 version 3 in the ARTIC camo. Got a 4000 Sokokin with an ADC discharged, pushed all the way forward. I'm going to go in my low rates right off the bat because I haven't flown this plane in a while, which are 65% with 20% expo. Let me go the other end of the... Get back here behind my Precious. I've got my flight nose on. I got two nose cones, one for display and one for flying, because I damaged this one. I ordered me a new one. So I fly with this one and display with the other one. All right, before I check my control surfaces, wind is basically right out of the west, so right down the runway. So here we go. Oh, wait. Forgot to turn on my GoPro. Let's get turned around here. I'm going to use the whole runway if need be. I'm running an AR631 Spectrum receiver. All right, here we go.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I'm going to take her up. I can tell you, the camo on this jet works.
Gear down.
All right, we're going to bring her by a little bit lower here. Bring her by dirty. When I mean dirty, I mean the gear's down. If I had flaps, the flaps would be down. I'm going to take her out here and set her up for a landing.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Braking.
Remember braking at the very end there. All right. Take her up again. That's a good looking plane. This is what I consider one of my warm-up jets. Very reliable, fun to fly. Not overly aggressive as far as the controls and the way she flies. Very stable.
Time remaining 1 minute. Gear down.
I think I'm liking low rates. Come in too hot.
30 seconds. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Braking.
Okay.
Brakes off. 2, 1.
Not the best landing, but we'll take it. Especially since my time's now expired. All right.
Braking. Brakes off.
All right.
Prop secured.
12 seconds over, or actually 12 seconds left on a 3.5 minute timer. Prop is off. Oh, take a look at our, just to show you where I have the Sokokin battery. I've got, it's a 4000, and I got maybe a 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch tucked underneath the firewall here, or the top of the fuselage. And she CG's just fine right there. Let's take, oh shoot, didn't mean to drop my canopy there, but I did. And thank you again, the viewer who said Velcro your checker to the back of your transmitter. That's just a very low-tech, high-solution mod. 48%. I could have gone another 30 seconds or more. So anyways, show you a little bit of the features of the plane. Got the nice mechanical latch there. Gear are really good on this jet. These fins are actually made of hardened plywood, or hard plywood, and you have the full floating stabs and reverse thrust. But I found that reverse thrust, there's not a setting that I know of to make it stronger or less. And for this particular jet, there's not that much, because you got your, if you look down the front of the exhaust there, or the intake, your retract takes up a lot of that room, so there's not much. The reverse thrust isn't all that effective. It does slow you down. It's better than nothing. But yeah, very, very fun jet to fly, and looks great in the air. All right, that's the FREEWING F-16 Camo, Arctic Camo version with the reverse thrust, and it's the version 3. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, the Jets. Bye-bye.